Hello, I'm Agathe Barthelon from Texinov. Thank you for inviting me to the 2026 edition of Enoforum. Today, I'd like to introduce the project called LIFE VinoShield, co-funded by the European Union through the LIFE program. The impact of climate change on vineyards is undeniable. Extreme heat, drought, more frequent hailstorms, heavy rains, and alternating periods of rain and heat, all of which have multiple consequences for the vines, the grapes, and the wine. The VinoShield project, titled Protecting Vineyards Against Climate Change, aims to improve the European wine sector's adaptation to climate change through the use of protective nets. The project is scheduled to last 52 months, or just over 4 years, with a total budget of 4.1 million euros, distributed among 7 partners with diverse areas of expertise. There are 3 vine and wine experts from the 3 leading wine-producing countries in Europe: the IFV, French Institute of Wine and Vine for France, the UCSC, Catholic University of the Sacred Heart for Italy, and Altavitis for Spain. There are also 2 industrial partners, Texinov for the production of protective nets and Futero for the production and recycling of bio-based materials. The project includes INSA with the Cethil Laboratory, an expert in thermal engineering, and Vinedea for expertise in communications within the wine sector. The project includes field trials in vineyards across 3 countries, France, Italy, and Spain, which are Europe's top 3 wine-producing nations, spanning a total of 9 vineyards as shown on the map. The solution being tested is based on protective nets. There are 4 different types of nets. Each is designed for a specific weather hazard, but all have varying degrees of effectiveness against other hazards. For example, the anti-hail net protects against hail, but also reduces fungal diseases and provides shade. The shade net affects hail and the development of fungal diseases. The rain net, designed to reduce fungal diseases, offers hail protection and some shade. The final net, designed to protect against spring frost, also protects against hail. The tested solution is comprehensive, including the net and mounting hardware. It is a passive solution that requires no fuel, chemicals, gas, or water to operate. The project is structured around 8 main objectives. The first 4 are testing and validating the effectiveness of the nets in combating climate hazards, facilitating their use, demonstrating their environmental and economic benefits, and raising awareness of climate risks in viticulture. The last 4 objectives are to promote the tested solution as a tool for adapting to climate change, to define a circular and sustainable economic model, to help winemakers use the nets optimally, and to secure the entire value chain from material to recycling. You can see photos of the vineyards where protective nets have been installed for over a year and a half and are currently being tested for the 2nd season. You can see the various nets and sensors installed to monitor these trials. The project is based on demonstrating the impacts of the nets through vineyard trials, a scientific approach involving multiple analyses at different times on the vines to assess their health, vigor, physiology, and growth, on the grapes to determine their quality, composition, total yield, and appearance, and on the wine with analyses of composition, appearance, and taste. The scientific approach is robust, incorporating trials across 4 different seasons and in various regions. We have developed thermal modeling to facilitate understanding of conditions under the nets and their improvement. This approach relies on disseminating results as the project progresses. The second core of the project is the commercialization of the solution, including the development of business models, preparation for large-scale production, planned sales in 6 European countries and worldwide, dissemination and communication of results, training for winemakers, and the establishment of a network of ambassadors to assist with market entry. We are also working on replicating the solution in other regions, countries, local practices, and crops. Continuous improvement of the solution is integrated into the market launch, focusing on enhanced performance, ease of use, and reduced environmental impact. To complete the market launch, we have end-of-life management based on the collection and recycling of the nets. There are various expected impacts for the project, and the key performance indicators will be, by the end of the project, 51 case studies to evaluate the complete solution, 830 winemakers equipped through commercialization, awareness raising and training, a reduction in damage to vineyards with 5% of damage resulting from hail, excessive sunlight or rain, a reduction in phytosanitary treatments, the hiring of 9 full-time equivalents within the consortium thanks to the project, and economic gains estimated at 24% for wine growers equipped with nets due to reduced damage and labor costs. In summary, the project was launched in September 2024 and it will conclude in December 2028. We began the first year of testing with the installation of nets at various sites, the launch of marketing efforts including sales, training, and awareness raising about this type of protection, and trials of a bio-based material to improve the net. And we finalized the analysis of the initial results on vines and grapes at the beginning of the year. Thank you for your attention, and please feel free to contact us for more information about the project and the nets.